In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Hostinger Webmail. If you've ever found yourself needing to keep several people in the loop on an email thread without having them as the main recipients, this is where adding a CC or carbon copy can be a game changer. So let's dive right into the process and get you confidently managing your emails with ease. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Titan Webmail account. You can do this by visiting mail.hostinger.com. Alternatively, if you prefer accessing it through Hostinger's H panel, simply navigate there, click on Emails, then Manage, and select Access Webmail. Once you've logged in, you're all set to start crafting your message. To begin composing your email, click on the Compose button. This will open up a fresh email window. Here, you'll spot the field marked as To, where you usually type the primary recipient's email address. Next to it, you'll notice a small plus sign. Clicking on this icon reveals more options that you can add to your email. You'll want to select Copy, which immediately opens up a new field dedicated to CC. This is where you can enter additional email addresses of other recipients who should be kept in the loop of the email conversation. If you find that you need to add even more recipients to your CC list, it's as simple as clicking on the CC option again, allowing you to input as many email addresses as needed. With your CC list filled out, it's time to turn your attention to the main body of your email. Compose your message just as you normally would. Feel free to add any documents or attachments that might be necessary for the recipients to review. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply hit Send. Rest assured, everyone you included in the CC field will receive the email, along with the primary recipients noted in the To field. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've entered the correct email addresses and that the individuals added as CC should indeed be privy to the information you're disseminating. An important thing to note is that those in the CC field will also see each other's addresses, so be conscious of privacy concerns if that's a consideration for your message. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to ensure that everyone who needs to stay informed is included in your email communications through Hostinger Webmail. Practice these steps a few times, and soon incorporating CC into your emails will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your email management.